Seth Miranda here for Adorama TV in the Flatiron district with the new DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Super compact with a new folding design, which allows you to really store it nice and tight in your bag so you can get some elevated footage or content, whatever you need, out of the phone that's already in your pocket. So we just load this up, turn this guy on, and boom. So with the new DJI Osmo Mobile 3, you get the same stabilization we all know in their gimbals, and you get some features from their higher end stuff like the Ronin SC with the ActiveTrack 3.0. So if I just drag a square over Fernando, you can see that's tracking him as I move. Then when I hit stop recording, I'll take the track off of him, and I switch to selfie mode. It sees me. I can do another track on myself, hit record, and now this is pretty priceless for vlogging anywhere. So as far as modes go, you have hyperlapse, time lapse, slow motion, video of course, photo, pano, and story mode with a bunch of presets in there that you can choose from. And it'll give you some like quick motions to go along with whatever feel you're trying to go with according to the template. Over here, you'll see that you have your frame rates and your resolutions. Over here is your exposure control. So with the gesture control, it will actually recognize a gesture and start a 3-second timer so I can set it down, get back, and get a shot like this. So I want to thank DJI for letting me play with the Osmo Mobile 3. I had a lot of fun with it. It basically takes your already versatile phone and makes it into a Swiss Army knife of content creation. If you have any questions for me, hit me in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like, share this video around, and hit subscribe. We'll see you next time. Oh, that sucked.